Hello everyone, hope you all doing well and you all are fine. In today's video, we are going to draw with the letter H. So, first we are going to write a big H, then draw the lines together. In this way, we are going to make two same size rectangles. Draw a triangle on the top that will give a roof to the house. Draw a circle in a triangle to give it a beautiful look. Draw some stairs in a first floor to give it a view of a window. Draw a chimney on the top, some clouds. Draw a door. It will complete the look of your house. Draw a path. So, we are going to make a sun on the top of the house. Our house drawing is completed. Hope you are enjoying the video. In this video, we are making house with the help of letter H. This is the easiest way to make a house. A house is a place where we live with our family. We make our life special. House means everything for us. Our family live together in a house, a home. A home is a special place where we create moments, memories. We live with our family, with our siblings, with our friends. To decorating your house is our best feeling. So we are going to decorate our house with the colors. I am using pink, orange and purple. As you know, purple is my favorite color. What is your favorite color? Do you like your home? Do you like to decorate your home? Keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.